Have you ever wanted to create a Facebook ad but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you've tried before but didn't get the results you were hoping for? Well, fear not. Intellect is here to help. With our state-of-the-art software, creating an advert has never been easier. Let me show you just how simple it is to create amazing advert content for your business with literally just the click of a button. First, choose the type of ad you want to create. Intellect AI offers a variety of options. Next, describe the product you want to advertise. Be as specific as you can. Then, start by selecting your target audience. This is crucial for getting your ad seen by the right people. Now it's time to generate your ad copy. Once you hit generate, let Intellect work its magic. Choose your advert. You have so many to choose from. And there you have it. With Intellect AI, creating an effective ad campaign has never been easier. Start creating your own advertising content with Intellect AI today and see the results for yourself. Get on board and join the AI revolution.